This next story from batshit crazy land, dystopian 1984 Democrat-run America. From the Daily Mail, man is caught on camera attempting to rape a woman 25 on a New York subway platform. Jose Reyes of New York City was arrested on Sunday afternoon by NYPD after he was caught on camera attempting to rape a 25-year-old woman on the Upper East Side subway platform, because this is what life in a Democratic-run shithole is like. They rape you out in broad daylight. We call these people hood Democrats. They're low-income, big-city Democrats. They have high crime, high drug abuse rates, and they have very low GPAs. So when I criticize hood Democrats, there's a very good reason why I criticize hood Democrats and white feminists and ivory tower liberals and Antifa Nazis. Not just because it's funny, even though it is actually incredibly funny, but because this shit is scary as fuck. On the next Real Simple News with Science, we'll be reading this article from Hacker News. Physicists find a new quantum paradox that casts doubt on pillar of reality, along with Schrodinger's equations and the theory of thermal relativity, which is my theory of gravity, in which there is a thermal equilibrium between two suns where it is absolute space. Energy is the inversely proportionate to mass, and that suns are converging into a black hole where the temperature is 0 and it's E equals mc squared equals 0, and that there's a waveform that stretches between the pure space into where E equals mc squared is less than 1, down into the black hole where E equals mc squared equals can't be 0. It's impossible. It's impossible because it evaporates into Hawking radiation, evaporates into pure space. Not pure space, almost pure space. It's not possible to have pure space, and it's not possible to have pure energy. This is the theory of thermal relativity that I invented.